Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean or change out the little side brushes on your Eufy RoboVac 11S. You can buy the brushes from places like Amazon and eBay. So if we turn it upside down, we need to turn it off if it isn't off already, and these are your side brushes here. So basically they just lift upwards, but you need to apply quite a bit of strength to get them to lift up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab all the bristles and just lift up like that. That came off particularly easy. And also this one here. There we go, came off easy as well. And this will give you an opportunity to get rid of all the hair that gets tangled around here and here. You can see there's a nice little clump of hair going on here. So if you haven't cleaned it in a while, you might find that it's struggling to turn because it might be all blocked up with hair. You can always get some tweezers and get right in here and pick out any hair that's got itself wrapped around the rotating bit. And then all we have to do is, once we've cleaned them, is you can see it's square here and square here. So just line up the squares, and push down. Or if you're replacing them, just get your new ones, again, line up the squares, push down, and push down. It doesn't take much strength at all. There we go. And you can now see they are back in place. And hopefully, your Eufy will clean well again. Thanks for watching.